Alright guys, this is going to be a video of the M4. It's going to be a sound clip of the M4s on my 2013 Kawasaki Z1000. And the M4s, I got this bike brand new, or not brand new, I'm sorry, like new, with about 750 miles on it from a previous owner. He had put the M4s on the bike, so I didn't put them on, but I love the M4s. I had the M4s on my previous bike, my 2014 Ninja 300. But there she is. I got her all cleaned up today. Got a fresh wax job put on her. There's the M4s. There's one on each side. This bike has dual exhaust. There she is. And these things are a beast, man. I love these M4s. They sound really good. They scream when you get up around 55, 6,000 RPMs. They really scream. So here they go. This is going to be a cold start. And that's it, man. They are so loud. I love them. I think they're pretty loud. I really like the M4s. They sound really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed the clip. Let me know if you have any questions about them. Talk to you later. Peace.